Stacey Solomon left Loose Women viewers baffled today, but it wasn't by what she said. Instead, viewers were mesmerized by Stacey's bizarre curly hairdo and even compared her to Medusa. Viewers flocked to Twitter to troll the star over the do. One tweeted, "Loose women Stacey rocking the rat's nest look. Don't worry girl, I know a good lawyer." While another commented, "I see Stacey Solomon has gone for the Medusa look today on Loose Women." A third remarked, "Stacey appears to have dressed as gangsta granny for today's Loose Women. Stacey's hair is a bigger car crash than this blonde bird who stays at home Loose Women," another commented. One suggested, "Stacey Solomon has obviously been watching the assassination of Gianni Versace, and she's channeling her inner Medusa Loose Women." Another remarked, "Loose Women WTF has Stacey done to her hair? Lesson for kids: don't play with plug sockets." One wrote, "Stacey's hair on Loose Women, she looks like she's had an electric shock."